All right, so anytime when I talk something where they around Davido and maybe some people for Davido record, people go say, after all what Davido have done for you, Davido flew you to Lagos, Davido have contributed for your NGO, and all those type of things. Well, this comment section will be open for a reason. Today, make I just address you now, right? You see that time I went to Lagos to go and meet Davido. Now me pay my flight ticket too. That hotel where they say Davido lodged me for hotel. Now me pay for the hotel. But guess what? For entertainment purpose, and because of course, we just leave her like that. They say Davido contribute to an NGO. That's not true. I never asked him to make any contribution. He was the one. When I they ask for say who send 100 million, they can say, no be him, but make her no worry. Next week he go do something. I never called him for that. Ask David, since you know me, whether I don't collect 1,000 naira from him before. 1,000 or any of the 30 BG or any of their friends, whether they don't give me 1,000. As a matter of fact, when we did London, he talking with him out. When somebody talks, a very dark man, he like say you know they collect money. Now he with him out, David. Now he say, Omo, I don't try to give this guy money. I don't see send, you know they collect. So I don't see this on Shokuna now because now they push that narrative. Very dark man, after all Davido did it, ask him. As a matter of fact, when they call me, say make I can't go meet him uncle governor. Say I will collect like 50 million. Actually, chatted them. A lot of people will be happy. You know, it will be 50 million. I bounce them. Ask them. The comment section is open. You see this media, what you don't know is bigger than you. What you don't know is bigger than... The last time me and Davido even talk, now when that issue of that boy where say he go give $5,000 for Ghana, I think he forgot. People were now insulting me. Say you talk, say Davido don't give the body. I didn't know he forgot, or maybe he was busy. So I sent it to him in his DM. How far? Sharp, me they pay this boy. Because people were insulting me, thinking that we use the thing for clout. From there, they pay the guy. Ask him, or any of the 30 BG drop receipt. 1 penny from David, I never joke. So recently, a lot of things don't happen. I say, say I betray David, go meet Burna Boy. Am I David's boy? I they work for Davido. What do you mean by I betray David? If David and Burna Boy get problem, that's their concern. When I see Burna Boy, do you know the first thing he said to me? He said, I know they fear you. I know they fear you. In short, I better no near me. Coco, come this side. Coco, come this side. We laugh. He come say, Baba, come this side. When will they go club? He say, VDM, you no go ride for any other car. Me and you will get a lot of things to talk. Then he brought the issue of the car. He said, all the cars I buy some type where we say now like 200 they go make in a year. So those cars, I feel we sell them in years to come. Then from there, we started talking about Nigeria. Me and Burna Boy dey club. We no move. Now talk, we talk. He say, okay, you know what in VDM, man, this club, we no fit talk well. This thing I tell you, money don't they reach. Now we take go apartments. We spoke about politics, Nigeria, progress of Nigeria, gets the youth working. That was basically what we spoke about. The video's topic did not come out. Whiskey topic did not come out. I was surprised. The next morning, he said, call me Dede. Uncle Dede. He said, call me to Uncle Dede. Uncle Dede knows a lot of things about Nigerian history. That's what we did with Uncle Dede. Then he said, Omo, after my birthday, tomorrow was good. Then I went to go and protest with the children. Then towards the evening time, he sent me a DM. He said, Omo, he sent me a message on WhatsApp. He said, Omo, I see your protest, man. I hope say these children go fit enter school. I just hope say we can go do something real quick. Before I can say, okay, make I see if I fit meet up for birthday. where I take go the birthday. But they say, oh, Verydarkman, why will you talk about Davido's car? I talked about the three of them. I'm nobody's boy. I don't be any of them boy. The same Burna Boy today, he talk out with his mouth. I swear to God who made me. Say, VDM, man, if you see anything where beside I do, where we say if you see, man, you blast them there. If you did wrong, you blast it. It's your own brand. I'm nobody's boy. So one of they talk down and nonsense. They should drop receipt. Leave media out. Wanna leave media out, not go. They say, oh, Verydarkman, he hates whiskey. Me? Me? Hate whiskey? For what? So because of say me and Davido know, make I hate everybody. Is that what people are saying? I tell them recently, I don't be anybody boy. No, I respect yourself. So now where this narrative don't finish, Mona bring the new one. I ready for all of now. Now me mount this media on at the CSO. Whether you like it or not. So far so good. The integrity choke. Now don't try. They pay him. Nobody they post receipts. But if Verydarkman want to talk, he post the receipts. I don't be anybody mates. It's not by how long, it's about how well. You know what it means say if when I talk say person a thief, Verydarkman say no be thief. It means say that's the thing don't turn 50-50 be that. Automatically, some people automatically believe say that person not be thief. And integrity choke. I say make them drop receipt. Carry I don't be anybody boy. I don't be anybody waiting boy. None of them, they feed me. None of them, their penny don't enter my hand. So if I want to talk, and if Davido buy something tomorrow, when I feel say, okay, yes, or you do something when we say na distraction, I go blast them. If whiskey do, I blast them. If Burna Boy do, I blast them. Nobody go do anything about them. Nobody. Nobody. On my platform, let me get them. So me and Davido, they follow each other, so make her they leak in yash. When I dey careful, narrate like you. I don't send anybody papa. I don't send anybody money. All those things they do like everybody. I don't send it. Oh boy, ask my brother. Even my brother go post. I tell him, my brother go post land one day for his status. I say, bro, this land cast, if I don't post you, may God punish me. That's my blood brother. Ask Kokopi, and many times I don't tell him. I say, guy, as we roll like this, the day you do something, man, it go shock you. I could drop him online. Because that's who I am. I'm not a fake ass nigga, man. People expect that because young person don't rule, then if the person do nonsense, make you chop him. They always expect that you will do boy for them and worship them. I ain't got no big man in Nigeria that I'll be loyal to or be worshipping. I'm a street boy. Now my street people I know. Now my ghetto people I know. That's why I take my time. Anytime I consign them and they waka go there. I don't need, see, for this country now, there's nobody I need for my own platform. That's what you don't know. I don't need Davido for nothing. I don't need whiskey for nothing. I don't need Burna. I don't need no Tiwa Savage. I don't need nobody. Am I a musician? Where I need them? I they do promo, I they do adverts, I they sing, I they act. What I need them for? What they want to do for me? What? I get pride, die. I am very egotistic. That is why I know if you do some certain things. I get pride, die. No be saying I'm out. If you see the way I carry body, you could say that my father get the whole country. And that pride don't save me. And a pride is what you are. A pride is who you are. A pride is who you are. Better be careful. Else you're going to learn and you will learn the hard way. I am nobody's boy. In short, I am nobody's friend. Don't play. The Rattle says so. If you play, you're going to learn and you will learn the hard way.